We're about to eat dessert first at Suikerbossie Pancake Spot. I think that's the place's name. I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. Suikerbossie. It's a pancake place. I'm going to do the dessert first, and then on the way back, we will stop and get something else. So we're doing dessert first and then main food later. Okay. So the sweet pancakes they've got is cinnamon, caramel, bar one, berry delight, strawberries, peppermint crisp, milk tart, cinnamon apple, and Nutella. What shall I get? Alright, I'm gonna do this Nutella. I want to try everything. Is a chicken and peaches salad pancakes. That also sounds quite interesting. I'll do the Nutella. While I was deciding what pancake I'm gonna get, Christine was in the bathroom. I'm curious to see what she's gonna decide on getting. I think we're gonna get the same thing.
The ball one.
Oh!
Did you choose the peppermint crisp one?
No. I got the Nutella. Because I even deliciously like bananas.
Oh my word, I didn't see it.
You didn't even see it with your own eyes.
Oh,
We can't do Nutella and bar one though, bro.
So let's do peppermint crisp.
Okay.
I like that.
Cool. Can we get the Nutella bad boy and the peppermint crisp gedachte? Lovely.